Bluetooth connected but no sound on Windows 11 fix. Hey guys, and let's learn some of the techniques by which we can fix the issue of Bluetooth connected but no sound. So for the first solution, tap on or type in on your search button and search for services.msc. Once the services page is open, you have to search for this particular option of Bluetooth support services. Double tap on it and select the startup type as automatic, stop it and start it again. Now click on apply and on OK. This is the first fix. Now moving on towards the second solution, type in or you can right click on your start button and go to settings. From settings, choose the option of Bluetooth and services. Now you have to disconnect any devices that has been connected and then again click on add device and again connect through the Bluetooth. This should also fix the problem. However, if the issue still exists, move on to the next solution, which is tap on the systems. It is present on the left side and click on sound. From here, make sure that the volume is set to full. Also, speaker or headphones is selected. Similarly, you can troubleshoot common sound problems as well, or you can go to the devices, choose the format and also make sure that the audio is enabled. This can also fix the issue. Now moving on to the third solution, go back to the Windows, right click on the start button and go to device manager. Once you go to device manager, you have to double tap or open the Bluetooth connection. From here, choose the devices that you have connected and make sure to update its driver. You can select the automatic driver update. Do the same for the other Realtek Bluetooth adapter as well. Once you have updated all the drivers, the issue must be fixed. So this were some of the tips and tricks that you can apply. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.